Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to delete WhatsApp account permanently. How to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So now you move to the three dots on your right hand side corner. You go to settings. You click on settings. On settings here you see account. You go to account. On that account you see delete account. You click on it. You see here you say if you delete this account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. So here you enter your phone number that is on WhatsApp. The phone number that is on WhatsApp. So you type your phone number. And you click delete account. Here you choose any of the reason. You choose any of the reason here. So I'm changing my phone number. I'm changing my phone number. So I'll click on it. Now go to delete. See here it is asking you. Here since you want to delete, we click delete account. You click delete account. We click delete. You click delete account. So you go to delete account. Yes, it is processing to delete.